Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the silver outlook has held to a relatively bullish pattern since establishing the base at $16.30. With this level holding, I do expect to see further implications to the upside. As you can see, the technicals have actually, from a stochastic point, confirmed a bullish crossover. The RSI has confirmed out of the 30 level to support a buy signal, and are currently in the market looking towards $16.70, which could extend towards $17.85.95. Any pullback on the day, I expect to see support or demand to return from $16.30 to $40. Moving on to gold, as you can see, the price pattern was very bullish overnight, and especially in the early session of yesterday. With the target taken out at 1,249, the market got to a high of 54 overnight. Still holding above the 1,250 handle, I do expect to see further implications to the upside, especially with the bullish stochastic coming through with the crossover coming just recently, and also with the MACD histogram shaping up. I expect to see either the target of 56 or exceeding towards a level of 1,260.62 before any weakness returning, with the support on the day now seen at 1,246 and beneath firmer at 1,236 to 37. Well, the Australian dollar again is weaker overnight, and as you can see, the market has dropped further from that 76 handle and now looking towards the trigger level at 75.0515 after taking out the minor support of 75.40. A break beneath 75.05 would give further implications to the downside and bring in a target of 74.30.40. With any advances on the day, now sees a cap around 75.70 and firmer above around that 76.35 handle. And as you can see here, the technicals are clearly negative, and the MACD is just about to give a negative crossover, even though the stochastic is already in play to the downside. Well, the euro overnight was a little bit weaker, but however pretty much unchanged and hasn't really altered over the last few days. With the US dollar price action muted, the price action still looks towards that level of 110.70. Now reassess from there, and if you are short, maybe lower your positions a little to your preference, purely for the fact is that we could see a bounce from 110.70. However, on the day, we are locked or confined to a range of 110.70 to 111.70 and firmer, a cap holding at 112.30. Now a break beneath this level of 110.70, you can see here I've highlighted quite a dramatic fall, and this is a crucial level, and if it does take it out, I'll be looking towards a target of around about the 107.40.70 region. Well, dollar yen also hasn't gone anywhere since the beginning of the week after the remarks from the President William Dudley of his hawkish comments did spark the US dollar. However, the last 4 days the market is consolidated and now holding above the 110.80.85 support. If this pattern doesn't shift soon to the upside and take out that 111.90 resistance, then I am concerned that we will get a challenge towards the downside. However, that being said, a close above 111.90 is bullish and would see a move up towards 112.50 to 113. In the event we see a break under 110.80, then this would give further exposure to the downside and bring in a target of 110.35.45. And to wrap up with sterling, the market still holds to a negative bias, with the immediate support holding at 126.30. Now I do expect to see further weakness coming in and look towards the target of 125.70 to 125.30 and reassess from there. Looking towards the top side, the resistance is holding at 126.90.05, with the political concerns still remaining in the UK. Could see further pressure on the pound. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great start to the weekend.